Hi, this video is going to be a practice for the L sound, okay? So L, L, L. When you do the L sound, your tongue is going to be up, okay? So when the L sound is in the beginning of a word, like lift and list and leg, your tongue is up behind your teeth here, and your tongue down, comes down, okay? Now, when the L is at the end of a word, at the end, like hill and fill and pill, your tongue has to go up behind your teeth, okay? So it's going to be hill, fill, pill, and your tongue is up, okay? Okay, so let's read these words together, okay? So here is lift, lift, leg, like, listen, letter, land, learn, little, library, lost, lip, lap, lion, leaf, leaves, lollipop, lilac, love, like, light, lamb, lap, low, slow, blow, flow, slip, and slither. Okay? So those are all at the start of the words, and now here they are at the end of the words. Okay? So here your tongue goes up. Okay? So hill, fill, pill, till, dill, doll, umbrella, lollipop, lollipop, okay? Wall, ball, fall, tall, pill, pole, foal, vole, roll, low, stole, crawl, feel, reel, peel, steal. Okay, steal. Okay, so please practice these words. Practice them as many times as you can. Okay, 5 times would be great. Okay, bye-bye.